this. Hello friends, welcome to another episode. Today we will make an interesting flying disc. Can you see this? This can be made with white paper or can also be made with color paper. Isn't that fun? Let's get started. You need to take a square paper, and remember we did the video on making a fighter plane. The steps are the same. You need to create individual units. Fold the paper in half, fold it again in half, take all four edges and get them to the center. Once you've got them to the center, take only one edge and create a triangle such as this. Take another edge and create another triangle, like a kite. Flip it over on the opposite side like this, and then turn it over like this. This is one completed unit. You need to make about 10 or 12 of these to join them. Once you join them, the completed model will look like this. Let's look at the steps now to how to join them. Use glue and stick each of these individual pieces by putting the glue here as shown. This will ensure that the pieces don't come out. And you have to do it for each of the individual ones so that it nicely sticks. The same process has to be repeated for the entire model. Once you have stuck all the pieces, the completed model will look something like this. Isn't that interesting? Please follow the instructions and let us know if you had any difficulties in making this model. Thank you for watching SSS Magic.